Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2014 Chevy Cruze. Stock number is A6847. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Kelly Edge tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. We're going to take a look inside of the trunk. There's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside you have Cruze audio and Bluetooth controls, full stereo, that includes a CD player, climate control, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Cruze on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.